Kerala history. Q11. The Temple Entry Proclamation of 1936 in Travancore was issued by A. Marthanda Varma, B. Swathi Thirunal, C. Sri Chithira Thirunal, D. Veluthampi Dalawa. Answer: C. Sri Chithira Thirunal. Explanation: in 1936, Maharaja Sri Chithira Thirunal of Travancore issued the landmark Temple Entry Proclamation, allowing all castes entry into Hindu temples, a major social reform in Kerala. Q12. The Malayali Memorial of 1891 was a. Peasant movement, B. Petition for administrative jobs for locals, C. Movement for temple entry rights, protest against British land revenue policy. Answer: Petition for administrative jobs for locals. Explanation: the Malayali Memorial was a petition submitted to the Travancore Maharaj demanding higher government jobs for native Malayalis instead of non-Malayali Brahmins and Tamilayers. Q13. The United Kerala movement led to the formation of the state of Kerala in which year? A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1956, D. 1960. Answer: C. 1956. Explanation: on the 1st November 1956, Kerala was formed by merging Malabar District, Travancore, Cochin, and Kasaragod, following the States Reorganization Act on a linguistic basis. Indian history. Q14. The Ilbert Bill controversy, 1883, is significant because it A. introduced separate electorates, B. brought press censorship, C. highlighted racial discrimination, D. abolished sati. Answer: C. highlighted racial discrimination. Explanation: the Ilbert Bill sought to allow Indian judges to try Europeans, which angered British residents, exposing racial bias and uniting Indian public opinion against discrimination. Q15. Which social reformer founded the Servants of India Society? A. Mahatma Gandhi, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Swami Vivekananda. Answer: B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Explanation: in 1905, Gokhale founded the Servants of India Society to train workers to promote education, sanitation, and other social reforms. Q16. Who among the following is known as the father of Indian Renaissance? A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Swami Vivekananda, C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, D. Dayanand Saraswati. Answer: C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Explanation: Roy's efforts against sati, for widow remarriage, and for modern education earned him the title Father of Indian Renaissance. Q17. India's first national education policy was introduced in which year? A. 1948, B. 1956, C. 1968, D. 1986. C. 1968. Explanation: based on the Kothari Commission recommendations, the first national policy on education was formulated in 1968 to promote equality and modernization. World history. Q18. The storming of the Bastille on the 14th July 1789 symbolized A. start of the Industrial Revolution, B. end of feudalism in France, C. beginning of the French Revolution, D. rise of Napoleon. Answer: C. beginning of the French Revolution. Explanation: the Bastille, a prison and royal armory, was stormed by Parisians, marking the start of the French Revolution against monarchy and feudal privileges. Q19. The term Iron Curtain is associated with A. British colonial rule in India, B. partition of India, C. division of Europe during the Cold War, D. fall of the Berlin Wall. Answer: C. division of Europe during the Cold War. Explanation: coined by Winston Churchill, the Iron Curtain referred to the ideological and political division of Eastern Soviet-controlled and Western Europe after World War II. Q20. Which of the following was not a founding member of the United Nations in 1945? A. India, B. Pakistan, C. USSR, D. USA. Answer: B. Pakistan. Pakistan did not exist in 1945, it was created in 1947. India, though under British rule, was a founding member of the UN, along with the USA and USSR.